tell us about the University of Idaho's Tribal Law Clinic and its mission.
Wonderful. So the Tribal Law Clinic is a brand new clinic at the University of Idaho. Was built in response to local tribes reaching out to the College of Law and requesting additional support for training of new lawyers and also for providing legal services to tribal members. And so our mission is to do exactly that, building out community-minded legal services. Our clinic is going to be responsive to community needs, and what we're doing right now to figure out community needs is we're starting to develop a medical legal partnership.
Wow, okay. And what's the benefit that you see for students?
Clinics generally provide students an opportunity to jump in and get to know the law better and work with the law prior to graduating. So I think generally it increases competency walking out of law school. I think particularly about the Tribal Law Clinic, it's allowing us to get in touch with Indigenous and Native communities in the area and provide those legal services. So I think it's kind of like a twofold opportunity with this particular clinic.
That's a great point. And then why did you decide to get involved in this?
So I myself am a member of the Coeur d'Alene tribe, so I plan on going into federal Indian law, tribal representation, Indigenous representation, and for me the Tribal Law Clinic was like an amazing opportunity that I heard of.
And what type of work are you guys doing right now?
Great. So right now we are building out a medical legal partnership, lawyers and medical professionals working together. It is responsive to what we call social determinants of health, which are things in our community where we live, work, and play that impact our overall health and well-being. Ultimately, we'll be partnering with tribally run medical organizations, inserting legal law students into the medical spaces, and serving patients so that they can experience an overall increase in health and well-being. I see twofold, at least, benefits. One, we're going to be able to increase legal services available to tribes. It can be very difficult as a tribal member to access competent, accessible, and in our case free, right, legal services. And what that could mean, depending on tribally expressed needs, right? But that could mean assistance with special education. It could be accessing veterans benefits, working on housing issues or housing conditions issues.
So a wide range of support and potential services as you move forward with this.
Yeah. It's the beauty of the medical legal partnership model is we are able to flex, provide support where it's needed, work with medical professionals so that we can bolster each other's work. And really, it's wonderful for our students too because they get to experience such a wide array of areas of practice.
Armand, how excited are you about having this opportunity to have this hands-on experience, before you graduate, and also to be exposed to such a large range of opportunities?
I think it's absolutely amazing. I think for tribal issues in general, it's really the general trend that we're having kind of like a one-stop for tribal members to get all of their needs met. So, health clinics generally are meeting that kind of like physical aspect of it, and like an MLP is going to be able to like tie that all together, and it's super exciting because this is like it's pretty new stuff. Generally speaking, at least that's kind of what we're feeling right now. Is like this is like very kind of like untouched area for the most part, and for me to be on the building end of it, I'm super excited because it's a bit of a legacy and like that's exciting to me. So like I'm full steam ahead, just putting the effort in to kind of help build this thing.
Yeah, blazing a trail for a really bright future. And where can our viewers go so they can learn more about Tribal Law Clinic and also the other programs?
UIdaho.edu/law, and you can search for a Tribal Law Clinic or clinics.
Wonderful. Thank you both so much.